What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. Guys, this video is special to me. Super cool experience. My guy Landon getting to cut in this video. Talked his mom into driving 6 hours to come get a haircut from me. He wants to be a barber. He's 16 right now and he cuts a little bit of hair. But it was a cool experience. He got to come get a cut from me. We got to chop it up. But he drove 6 hours to come get it. So pretty cool. You guys are going to see. Pretty normal looking guy at the beginning. We definitely transformed him in this, so definitely leave me a comment, let me know what you think of this transformation. Guys, if you're new to the channel, you already know, hit that subscribe button. I drop 3 videos a week, lots of content coming for you guys, and like I said, we're taking it way up. The next few videos are definitely gonna be off the chain. So if you guys like this, hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. Let's get right into it. All right, we'll jump right into this thing. We're gonna start off with the number 4. This is on our Wahl Cordless Senior with the Philthy mod. We're gonna take the 4 guard. We're just gonna slowly feed right up into the hair on top and prep the whole side to come in and do our fade. Now we'll come in with the Slimline Pro. We're gonna set our ball guideline in the same shape of the weight that we created up top, where we took our 4 into the weight, and we'll just follow that same shape and drop it in the back a little bit. We'll go ahead and bald all this hair out, come in with our shaver underneath that, and get it all the way down to skin, and then we can work our fade up from there. And guys, I've been using this Gamma shaver for a while now, so if you didn't see my unboxing on that and you want to know more, click the card up above and you can check out that video as well. Our next step will be the clipper with the lever all the way open. We're going to go up about 3/4 of an inch and set ourselves up for our first step. Then we'll come in from the bottom and start to work that section out. Since we punched the line in with the Slimline, we'll come in next with our Slimline and scoop the line up. We're just looking to bump it up as small as we can, but take out that ball guideline so we can use our clipper to blend the rest out. After that, the clipper closed will be used at the bottom of this section. The clipper halfway open will work halfway into the section. And after we get that established, we can use our lever to get out any dark spots that are left behind. Next step, we'll come in with the 1 guard all the way open, similar as before. We'll go with about 3/4 of an inch, and then we'll save the rest of that panel to work that line out. Now this panel, we're gonna use a 1 guard closed, 2/3 of the way up into the section, and the bottom third to take that line out will be done with the half guard, half open. And this is pretty cool, guys. Like I said, he does cut some hair, so he was just asking small questions throughout, so I'm explaining to him. Now we're gonna come in with the 1 closed, and the teeth of the guard versus the cutting blade, there's a gap there. So really we're gonna take our teeth all the way to the top of that section, and the cutting blade will be about 1/3 of the way down into that section, if you look at how I'm holding it right there. So we're just gonna come in, and the teeth of the guard will go to the top of the line, but the cutting blade will be right below that, and we'll blend that section down, and then the line that you guys can see that's left behind will come out with the half guard. Now I like to look at the half guard, kind of like the magic eraser that's just gonna smooth these two sections together. And that's how you guys wanna treat the half guard and the 1.5. So you're gonna do your sections and there'll be a line left in between, and each of those guards is gonna connect those sections together. So you guys can see with the half guard, we're gonna be able to connect all those, and then we'll move on to the section above that. Now, like I said, I'm gonna kind of show him how I do things. So we're gonna stack our guards. We have a 4 to begin with. I'm gonna take a 3, I'm gonna tilt it out, and I'm just gonna go through that line. I'm trying to connect to the 4 that's above it without leaving a hard line. So we'll do that with the 3 guard, then we'll come in under that with the 2 guard, and then the last line that's left will be taken out with a 1.5. We're doing the same thing with the 2. You guys should see that it's lightening the line up, but not leaving a harsh line above it. And the only line that's left should be between the open 1 and the closed 2. And that's what the 1.5 is for. So when we come back with the 1.5, it should take that line most of the way out. Now, of course, sometimes guys, you do have to keep working your way back down. And that's part of it anyways when you're polishing up the haircut. But we will come in with the 1.5 right here. It's gonna clean this line up, but then we'll continue to work our way back down. I'll go back to the open 1 and touch up any spots that are left before we move on. All right, so we're gonna start this other side. We'll do the same steps. We're gonna start with the number 4, connect to the top, and then we'll come in and set up our guidelines and fade our side, just like the other side. So you guys follow along. Real quick, I wanna give you guys a heads up. For those of you who watch all my content, I want you guys to know I have a new segment I'm about to start on Sundays. I'm not gonna tell you guys too much about it, but it is gonna be some type of green screen, reaction review type content. I think you guys will benefit from it. I think you'll enjoy it. So definitely make sure you stay tuned. If you don't have your bell notifications turned on, turn them on so you guys get notified when I drop that. And again, guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I drop all kinds of cool content, very good tutorials. I have a lot of good content coming out, and other stuff like unboxings and tool reviews and different tips on maybe opening your own barbershop, stuff like that. So anyways, guys, stay tuned for that. That's gonna drop this Sunday, and I think you guys will like it. I'm really looking forward to seeing what you guys think about it, and excited to put it out. So you guys stay tuned for that. Alright guys, I gotta interrupt the video real quick to explain to you guys, you know, sometimes when we record these videos, we mess up the camera, plan on not recording different parts, and then forget to turn it back on, different things like that. So sometimes you get some videos together where you're just missing a part that you really want to put in there. Sometimes it just doesn't work out. But anyways, with that being said, guys, on this haircut, we were finished with the haircut. He originally didn't want to cut anything off the top. You guys know, like I said, he drove 6 hours. So at this point, we were just chopping it up. We were basically done with the haircut. And I just mentioned to one of my other barbers that it would look really dope with a boxed hairline instead of leaving it so natural like you guys just saw. So anyway, guys, I cut the front hairline. I put some notch parts in there. We just kind of discussed it last second. I did that. I was not recording, but we'll go back to the video now and you guys can see the end product. And I hope you guys are digging this cut. It definitely transformed it, adding the front hairline and adding the notch parts. So hope you guys like it. Let's get right back to it. All right, so you guys can see we have added the notch parts. We did the front hairline. We're gonna come in here and add some color enhancement. This is 245 no drip, the black brown with the Beam Team XL compressor. and the Seancutshair enhancement card, of course. You guys see we're just gonna go in, we're gonna add a little bit of color enhancement. You guys see obviously his hair is kind of red, so we don't wanna add too much and make it look unnatural. But luckily with the black brown, if you use it light enough, you can get away with it on this color of hair. So we're gonna do the vertical bars, we'll do the corner of the C cup, we'll flip the card around and spray a little bit on the C cup. And you guys can see this haircut come together. So like I said, I did not show doing the box in the hairline or the notch parts, and that is my fault. But like I said, we weren't even planning on doing it. So you guys can see it's coming together. We're gonna come in with some shave gel, Tomb 45 shave gel with the Tomb 45 triple cartridge razor. I'm just gonna clean these lines up nice and sharp, and then you guys can check out the end result. And guys, I'm gonna throw the card up top. If you wanna see how to do these notch parts, I'm gonna throw another haircut video in that touches on the notch parts and the front hairline. So make sure you guys click that link above if you wanna see more about how to do those.
You are watching a master at work.
Now we'll come in with some Tomb 45 indestructible clay. I'm just gonna scrunch it into the hair, bring out that natural texture that's in there, get it all styled up, and you guys can check it out. Alright guys, there's the before. You can see looking real regular. No offense to my man, but we definitely had to give him some swag. And there's the finished product, guys. I hope you like this haircut. I definitely did. He was definitely stoked with it. If you like it, guys, please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of this transformation. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys next time.